Hey friends, in today's quick video, we are going to be replacing the antenna on this 2017 Ram 1500. Now, what we're using is this little 7-inch mast. And this little kit here, you can purchase on Amazon. I'll put some links in the description box below. It is going to fit most vehicles. Obviously, we're doing it on the Ram today. But as you can see, it comes with all these kit pieces that allow you to adjust things perfectly for your specific vehicle. Again, if you need links to this specific antenna, we'll put links in the description box below. So first things first, we need to remove the old one. This is why I'm replacing it. We purchased this used, and you can see that the antenna looked like this. Basically, these just unscrew. You can see this comes out in one piece like this. This is why we need that kit. We first need the lower end that is going to fit in different versions of cars. And for us, we're going to find the one we need that fits in the lower. So again, we have a bunch of different post options. This is the one that actually fits my truck perfectly. You can see that it threads nicely right into the antenna there. And now we can bring it over to the truck, and we're just going to thread it down into the base there. As you can see, it slides all the way down until it is nice and tight, and that is in there. Basically, we can just finger tighten it, so we don't need to use tools to take it off in the future. There you go, friends. That's how to install those masts. Great little antennas. It definitely lowers the profile, makes things nice and slim, and still has a really good reception rate. Hope this has helped. If it has, give us a quick thumbs up. Stay tuned, we're making a ton more of these Ram 1500 videos to make your life just a little bit easier. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again on the next one.